Algorithm. Define variables to store student's name, student ID, and marks in each subject. Use scanner to take input for name, student ID, and marks in each subject. Calculate the total marks and average marks. Calculate the grade for each subject based on the marks obtained. Calculate the final grade based on the marks obtained in all subjects. Print the marks sheet with all details. Procedure. Define variables to store name, student ID, and marks in each subject. Use scanner to take input for name, student ID, and marks in each subject. Calculate the total marks and average marks. Calculate the grade for each subject based on the marks obtained. Calculate the final grade based on the marks obtained in all subjects. Print the marks sheet with all details. Pseudocode. Define variables name, student id, DBMS marks, SWP marks, SAD marks, GD marks, EMP marks, total marks, AVG marks, grade DBMs, grade SWP, grade SAD, grade GD, grade EMP, final grade. Print, enter student name. Read name. Print, enter student ID. Read student id. Print, enter DBMS marks. Read DBMS marks. Print, enter SWP marks. Read SWP marks. Print, enter SAD marks. Read SAD marks. Print, enter GD marks. Read GD marks. Print, enter EMP marks. Read EMP marks. Total marks equals DBMS marks plus SWP marks plus SAD marks plus GD marks plus EMP marks. AVG marks equals total marks, 5. If DBMS marks greater than equals 80, then grade DBMs equals A. Else if DBMS marks greater than equals 60, then grade DBMs equals B. Else if DBMS marks greater than equals 40, then grade DBMs equals C. Else grade DBMs equals S. And if SWP marks greater than equals 80, then grade SWP equals A. Else if SWP marks greater than equals 60, then grade SWP equals B. Else if SWP marks greater than equals 40, then grade SWP equals C. Else grade SWP equals S. And if SAD marks greater than equals 80, then grade SAD equals A. Else if SAD marks greater than equals 60, then grade SAD equals B. Else if SAD marks greater than equals 40, then grade SAD equals C. Else grade SAD equals S. And if GD marks greater than equals 80, then grade GD equals A. Else if GD marks greater than equals 60, then grade GD equals B. Else if GD marks greater than equals 40, then grade GD equals C. Else grade GD equals S. And if EMP marks greater than equals 80, then grade EMP equals A. Else if EMP marks greater than equals 60, then grade EMP equals B. Else if EMP marks greater than equals 40, then grade EMP equals C. Else grade EMP equals S. And if DBMS marks greater than equals 40 and SWP marks greater than equals 40 and SAD marks greater than equals 40 and GD marks greater than equals 40 and EMP marks greater than equals 40, then final grade equals pass, else final grade equals fail. And if print College of Technology Jaffna student marks sheet, print name plus name, print student ID plus student id, print DBMS plus DBMS marks plus grade DBMs, print SWP plus SWP marks plus grade. Java code, import Java, util, scanner, public class student marks sheet, public static void main, string, args, scanner input equals new scanner, system.in, read student information, system.out, print, enter student name, string name equals input, next line, system.out, print, enter student ID, string student ID equals input, next line, read subject marks, system.out, print, enter DBMS mark, int DBMS equals input, next int, system.out, print, enter SWP mark, int SWP equals input, next int, system.out, print, enter SAD mark, int SAD equals input, next int, system.out, print, enter GD mark, int GD equals input, next int, system.out, print, enter EMP mark, int EMP equals input, next int, input, close, calculate total and average marks, int total marks equals DBMS plus SWP plus SAT plus GD plus EMP, double average marks equals double total marks 5, calculate grades for each subject, string DBMS grade, SWP grade, SAT grade, GD grade, EMP grade. If DBMS greater than equals 80, DBMS grade equals A. Else if DBMS greater than equals 60, DBMS grade equals B. Else if DBMS greater than equals 40, DBMS grade equals C. Else DBMS grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. If SWP greater than equals 80, SWP grade equals A. Else if SWP greater than equals 60, SWP grade equals B. Else if SWP greater than equals 40, SWP grade equals C. Else SWP grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. If SAT greater than equals 80, SAT grade equals A. Else if SAT greater than equals 60, SAT grade equals B. Else if SAT greater than equals 40, SAT grade equals C. Else SAT grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. If GD greater than equals 80, GD grade equals A. Else if GD greater than equals 60, GD grade equals B. Else if GD greater than equals 40, GD grade equals C. Else GD grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. If EMP greater than equals 80, EMP grade equals A. Else if EMP greater than equals 60, EMP grade equals B. Else if EMP greater than equals 40, EMP grade equals C. Else EMP grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. Calculate final grade. String final grade equals fail. If DBMS greater than equals 40 and an SWP greater than equals 40 and an SAD greater than equals 40 and an GD greater than equals 40 and an EMP greater than equals 40. If average marks greater than equals 80, final grade equals A. Else if average marks greater than equals 60, final grade equals B. Else if average marks greater than equals 40, final grade equals C. Else final grade equals S. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Print marks sheet. System.out. Print ln. College of Technology Jaffna student marks sheet. System.out. Print ln. Name plus name. System.out. Print ln. Student ID plus student ID. System.out. Print ln. DBMS plus DBMS plus DBMS grade plus. System.out. Print ln. SWP plus SWP plus SWP grade plus. System.out. Print ln. SAD plus SAD plus SAD grade plus. System.out. Print ln. GD plus GD plus GD grade plus. System.out. Print ln. EMP plus EMP plus EMP grade plus. System.out. Print ln. Total marks plus total marks. System.out. Print ln. Average marks plus average marks. System.out. Print ln. Final grade plus final grade. Example input, output for the program. Enter student name, John Smith. Enter student ID, 12345. Enter DBMS mark, 75. Enter SWP mark, 65. Enter SAD mark, 50. Enter GD mark, 80. Enter EMP mark, 90. College of Technology Jaffna student marks sheet. Name, John Smith. Student ID, 12345. DBMS, 75, B. SWP, 65, B. SAD, 50, C. GD, 80, A. EMP, 90, A. Total marks, 360. Average marks, 72.0. Final grade, pass.